Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the powerful Prasky blender and grinder combo for your kitchen. This upgraded machine features a 3-horsepower motor that reaches speeds up to 25,000 RPM. The sharp 6-leaf blade easily crushes ice and frozen fruits for perfect smoothies every single time. You receive a large BPA-free 68-ounce jar plus a grinder for your daily needs. Use the variable speed dial and pulse function to achieve the exact texture you want for hearty soups. This versatile appliance replaces 6 different tools by blending, chopping, and pureeing your favorite healthy ingredients. Cleanup is incredibly fast since the automatic cleaning mode works in under 60 seconds with just warm water. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.